Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video, we have implemented the stack using Python list. So in this video, let us start and implement the queue using Python list. So I will initialize a list using with a name queue. So queue follows first in, first out approach, which means the very first element which we have entered will be removed first, and we have enqueue and dequeue methods to add and delete element respectively. So let us start with implementing enqueue method. So define enqueue method and it will take an element. So enqueue will add an element at the end of the queue. So I will again use append method. So enqueue, so queue dot append element. So this element is added at the last of queue. Now let us define the dequeue method. So define dequeue. So dequeue method will remove an element from the front of the queue. So dequeue method will not take any argument, as we have to pop the element at the front. So I will write here pop method and pass 0th index to it. So 0th element will be popped out from the list. Now let us try and enqueue some element. So I will write enqueue and pass 1000. Let us print our queue and run the code. So 1000 has been added to our queue. Let us add some more elements. So I have added 1000, 1002, 1003, 1004 elements to our queue. So dequeue method should remove the element at the front. So let us use dequeue function and try to print our queue again. Let us run the code. So you can see the element which is on the front, which is 1000, has been removed from our queue. So let us try and run the dequeue method again. Let us run the code again. You can see 1002 has been removed. Similarly, if you call enqueue again with some another number and run the code, it will be added at the end. And dequeue method will remove an element from the front of the queue. So this is how you can implement enqueue and dequeue functions of the queue using Python list. Now I hope you have understood the queue and stack and how to apply them using a Python list. So thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.